Don't like to type? Try the dictation tool. Begin by clicking on New Text. Click on the microphone in the toolbar, and then click Start. It will begin the dictation when the words to the right on the Start button change from Initialize to Start. Let's dictate.
I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. This quote is the last stanza from the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost.
Once you have dictated your thoughts, click on Insert Text. Your dictation is now in the new text document that you can edit. For this poem, the edits include changing the quote to stanza form. Correct any words and grammar that the dictation did not pick up correctly. We now have our information ready for our assignment or paper.